Hello and welcome back to another video by Teaching Tube. Our today's topic is about cell differentiation. At the end of this video, you will be able to tell what is cell differentiation, how do cell differentiate, and why cell differentiation is important. As we all know that when a new organism is growing, initially all of the cells are same. That is, they are undifferentiated and unspecialized. As the organism develops, the cell do differentiate. This means that they change by developing different subcellular structures. We will look at the examples later on. We call these developed cells or specialized cells as they are able to carry out a particular function, or that is just a fancy word for job. Now, in order to make a complex organism, whether it's a rabbit or a mushroom, we need a lot of different types of cell, just like a building is made from a lot of different material. Now let's start at the beginning for humans. Life starts when an egg and sperm, which are two highly specialized cells, combine to form a group of identical cells called stem cells, because they are completely undifferentiated and have the capacity to specialize in any type of cells, such as nerve cells or muscle cells. Now this ball of cells differentiate and after the processes of development form an organism which have specialized cells. In here we are going to look at three specialized cells. We have got a sperm cell and its function is to reach and fertilize an egg cell. Can you spot any structure that would help it to do this well? First of all, we have got a tail that helps it swim or move through the reproductive system to the egg. Then its mid-piece has got many mitochondria to release energy for the movement, and in the head we have got what we call an acrosome, which contain digestive enzymes to break down the egg and allow the sperm to penetrate. And of course, we have a large nucleus to contain DNA, which can then be passed on to create offspring. Down below, we have some muscle cells, and their function is to contract and relax, causing movement. Can you spot anything that would help them do this? Over here you can see that we have got lots of tiny little pink things which are mitochondria to release energy needed for the contraction. We also have some proteins which slide across each other for contractions. And finally these cells can store a lot of glycogen which is broken down to glucose. And finally, up here we have got a nerve cell. Its function is to carry electrical impulses around the body. Well, we have an axon and it's very long to carry the impulse. And here we have a lot of spiky little things called dendrites, which help the nerve cell to connect with a lot of other nerve cells, forming a network. And finally, we have nerve endings having a lot of mitochondria to release energy needed to meet the chemical messenger. Now we have got our specialized plant cells. We will start with root hair cell, and its function is the absorption of water and mineral ions from the soil. This little protrusion provides a large surface area for greater absorption. We have also got a large prominent vacuole to speed up osmosis, which overall will bring more water into the cell. And again, we have got a lot of mitochondria for the active transport of mineral ions. You will learn a lot more about this in the active transport part of this topic. Next up, we have got xylem. These are responsible for the movement of water and ions up from the roots to the other parts of the plant. What can you see that would help them do this? Well, you can see long hollow tubes. Cell walls have been removed for the easy movement of the ions and water through them. They also have spirals of lignin. This allows it to strengthen the cell to withstand the pressure of water moving through it, and also support the plants as it doesn't have skeleton. Our sixth and final specialized cell is the phloem cells. First of all, you can see that the cell walls have been replaced by these funny little things called sieve tubes. Just like sieves, they have holes in them till it dissolves food to move easily. We have another type of cells here called companion cells. These have a lot of mitochondria and they release the energy that allows to dissolve food to be moved up and down through the plant by diffusion. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye.